This trail, Historic Columbia River Highway State Trail, used to be a road and has some tunnels in it, but now it's just closed to bicycles and pedestrians. So there it is. Shadow Man is there. He's saying hi. So we're going to head on up here. And as usual, picking them up, putting them down. Picking them up, putting them down. Okay. Straight uphill from the bottom down here where we started. We're coming to the first tunnel because you get a sign here that says slow, narrow tunnel up ahead. And there it is, up in front of us here. So I'm still walking here. It's a nice day. I'm actually in Oregon. Washington's just on the other side of the river, right over there. And it's a pretty good walk, brisk morning. It's a paved trail. All the other folks are way in back of us there, so I'm actually at the front for a change. So let's take a look at the tunnel. And there's our guide up there from the ship. She's leading the way. And we'll come to that tunnel. Okay. I got a little graffiti way up in the corner up there. And it's a kind of a gross one, but anyhow. It's a narrow tunnel. Single file only. Well, I don't think that applies to walkers here. And it looks like the side is made out of wood here. I got all kind of wood. It's closed in in wood. Well, at least for the first portion, because then we come down here and it's just actual rock here. And I want my different stick, and this one's a little wobbly. It needs to be tightened up. But I can't find a good stick that works exactly like I want it. But here in a tunnel, there's good sounds here. There's little openings here. You can go off to the side, take a look here. Sorry, my nose is running. Look down there. See the highway down there. Our ship is actually out over there. You can just about see it. A National Geographic Quest. All right, plenty of headroom in the tunnel here, so that's a good thing. I like that. And seems like the beginning and end of each tunnel is wood reinforced or something there. So I'll look at some of these other outcroppings on the way back, because it'll be mostly downhill on the way back here. Okay. This is another part. There must be a highway above us because I can hear cars going by. This was used way back in the old days, this path and these tunnels for cars back in the early part of the century, I believe. And then as times went on, there were more traffic, bigger cars, faster cars. Things got in disrepair here, and so they stopped using this and they built better roads, and they actually filled in some of the tunnels. But then years later they dug out some of them and created this walkway for joggers, pedestrians, and bikers too. So not too many people out here this morning, that's for sure, but cooler here in the shade. Brr. Well, I'm still walking. It's been uphill almost the entire way. Luckily, it's still cool out this morning. Well, the sun's coming out and even getting warm with this on here. But it's all uphill. Uphill, uphill, uphill. Luckily, it's paved, so that part's pretty good. So, see how far I can go. I still got time yet. Going back down is going to be a lot easier, that's for sure. All right, gotta press on here. Finally, after coming up, doing a lot of walking on my shaky stick here with the camera, come to a viewpoint, which is what I've been waiting for. Good spot for me and Shadow Man to be taking a well-deserved rest right here. I've taken off my sweater jacket, my other windbreaker, just have my shirt on because I'm hot now. Kid is hot. Not just normal hot, but sweaty hot here. So let's go see what we can see here. There we go. Set this jacket down. so I don't lose it here. And there we go. Ah, good rest here now. Beautiful scene. You can hear the highway down there, and the highway was not on top of the tunnel, it was just noise from the adjacent highway. So, come back out here. Trying to see where our ship is. Oh, it's way up to the left, can't see it anymore. But little islands out there, I'd like to explore those. That'd be kind of neat. Spend a day out there. This is the pathway up here. And as we come back here, I'm going to speed this up a little bit. Our ship is way up by that bridge up there around the corner. I'm pretty sure it could be in back of us by another bridge, but I don't see any down there. So I think that's Washington on that side, and I'm in Oregon over here. And we're on the wet side of the Cascades, so we do have trees here now and leaves, a little fall changing color. Right up above there, there's some more rocks up ahead. So yeah, not too bad. Nice little rest. I'm cooling off nicely here in this nice little breeze here. Okay, here we go. There's down there. Let's see, so come over here. There it is. Nice clouds off in the distance too there. Okay, this is Ed Gitley reporting to you from the trail. This is on a National Geographic trip this week down the Snake and Columbia rivers on the journey of Lewis and Clark, and you see all the spots that they did and how they did that back in those days. I don't really know, but I'm here in Oregon on this side of the river. Other side of the river is Washington State. You hear some traffic down there, there's a highway down there, but did this long walk uphill, came to this spot, and did pretty good. Not too many people out there, it's cool. Like, I'm a little sweaty now, so I had to take my jacket off and everything because the sun's out. It's going to get warmer later on. And I got motorcycles down there or something, I don't know. The guy with the flat tire. Who knows what, some plastic blowing in the wind on his car. But nice scenic overlook here. I'm going to do a 360. The sun might go in the lens, so sorry about that. I'm not in charge of the sun here. So in back of me, you can see nice view over there. I think our ship is way up there by that bridge on the other side, but I'm not 100% sure. So here we'll loop around so you can have a nice view. And look here, see everything. Everything is good. Nice crisp air. It's brisk outside. It's nice, no real wind. A little bit of a breeze here, but feels kind of good. Leaves starting to change color here. Probably with global warming, it takes longer and longer each year to change colors. So, but having a good trip. It's almost over. Got one more, got all day today and tomorrow, and then leave on Wednesday here, so it's almost over. This afternoon, got a big climb, climbing Beacon Rock, all these zigzags back and forth, climb up to the top. So this is a good preparation for it by climbing up this hill. But all right, Ed Gitley, as usual, signing off to all my friends out there. Don't forget, you help me out if you subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. I need subscribers, but okay, if not, that's life. All right, my friends, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye. Just going back down the trail, I found a big leaf here. Big maple leaf. It's huge, huge leaf here. But okay, going back down the trail here. Okay, back to the bus. All right, we're coming back, going back down. And actually this is a little uphill on the way back through the tunnels, but same thing as we showed you earlier. The tunnel here, still going uphill, even though it's on the way back. As soon as we crest over this rise here, it'll be downhill for the rest of the way back till we get down close to the bus. and there's a slight uphill here, so let's wait till we get a little closer to that curve. A plane going overhead, but finished with the tunnels. Pretty much downhill the rest of the way. Another nice view, and there's actually another overlook down there where you see some people. Must be this trail here. That's what it was. I missed that. But I'm not going to walk all the way down there. And then I got to walk back up. But still a good view from down there. So, okay. Yeah, there's a train. You can see there. Pretty long train. And it seems about every 20 minutes here. Seems like there's one going through here. So, heading west, I presume. And we still have yet another train way out there going by. Like I said, but every 20 minutes, big trains going by. A lot of rocks down here alongside the trail. We're almost right at the end of the trail here. There's the gate up ahead. So, all right, let's keep going. Here's the marker here. I want to get my shadow in it. But you see that right there. There it is. From the river. Okay, get a good shot of it there.